Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this JBL Flip 2 Bluetooth speaker. This is TL series. So I am going to show you the teardown of this JBL Flip 2 TL series Bluetooth speaker. So without wasting any time, directly let's see how to tear this down. There is one more series called GG series. It will be written here in this sticker. So you can see this is TL. The one more series is GG series. So internally it will be different. Externally it looks same, but internally it looks different. So let's see how to tear this down. TL series JBL Flip 2 Bluetooth speaker. Alright. So first I'm going to pry this top rubber here. And there will be 4 screws here. So alright, this is the 4 screws. Now further we have to lift this rubber. There will be one plastic here like this. So I have removed. Now after lifting this, we have to take the control board here. So just by lifting this socket here, this control board comes out. Alright, now slightly by doing like this, there will be one screw here. So that's it from this side, keeping this screw separately. Now this other side, take apart this silicone rubber from this side. Don't take out from NFC side because there will be NFC board here. So you may end up breaking the NFC cables. So just lifting like this. And while lifting, hold this NFC board like this and peel off this. Then you will find 4 screws here. So we have to take that out. So alright, these are the 4 screws. Now slowly lifting this because there will be wire running behind this. So I am going to take this rubber this side and slowly lifting like this and holding because it is pasted here. Don't lift totally. Just take out this screw here. So that's it. Now from this main control side, push this plastic slowly. It will come like this. So this is the NFC cable here. So be careful. Now we have to take out this outer grill here, metal grill. So this is clipped here. This doesn't have screws. In GG series there will be 2 screws here, but in this case there is no screws. Just we have to lift like this. Don't force too much, otherwise the mesh will be damaged. That's it. Now slowly, there will be a clip here as well. So if you want, you can lift it like this. Without lifting also it comes out because of the force. Alright, now just by pushing and slightly opening this, the metal grill comes out. So I'm keeping this separately. Now you can see this is the 2 drivers, 40 mm drivers, and it is a bit dirty, so I'm cleaning. Alright, now to take apart this speaker further, we have to take out the 3 screws here. One is here, the second one is here, and third one is here. So after taking that out, we can take apart the speaker. So this is the one screw, it is a bit long screw. This is the second screw here, and the third one is here. So this is the third one. Now further, after taking this screw, it will not come out. So we have to take a sharp tool, like a small knife here. So make a cut here. There is a joining point here. In this TL series, you need to cut like this, the sticker. In GG series, it is not required, but in TL series, this cut is required. And now the other side. So there will be a gap like this, there will be a line like this right round in this side as well. So this is enough. Now by slowly pulling apart, it will come out like this. So this is the internal look. First we have to take off this NFC cable from this socket. Just by slowly pulling it will come out, and you can take out this NFC board. Alright, this has been separated now. So these are the two drivers here. This is the motherboard, battery will be behind this. So let me take out this base port. This is the base port. To take that out, we have to take out two screws here. So the base port will come. That's it. This is the base port. Now to take out the speakers, we have to take out these two screws. That's it. The speakers will come like this. There will be a mic here, and even you can remove this speaker. This is detachable, like this it will come out. So in GG series, this point is not detachable. Alright, now further, this is the main control flex cable here. So I'm just lifting it by pulling it. So this has come out, and this is the battery connection. This is the battery connection, and this is the mic. So I have removed the mic connection. Now I am keeping this separately. So further, to see the battery, to get the access, we have to take out one screw here. You can see this is the screw. Now this will come out very easily like this, and you can see this is the back side of the motherboard, and this is the big flex cable here. This is for so many functions. This is for auxiliary input, this is for battery indicator, and this is for the charging speaker also. So I'm going to just remove this flex cable, and this is the BT antenna. You can see this is the BT antenna here. Alright, now to take the battery out, we have to lift this like this. This piece will come out like this, and you can take out the battery very easily. And let's see the specification of the battery. This will be 2000 mAh. You can see model number is PR652954. Rating is 3.7 volts for 2000 mAh 7.4 watt-hour lithium polymer battery made in China. So this has 2000 mAh batteries here. It is combinedly fixed here in the BMS, and this is the socket of the battery. Alright, that's it. This is the charging indicator and auxiliary input, as well as charging socket here, micro USB socket. So this board directly connects to the main motherboard using this flex cable here. This is the big flex cable. Alright, this is the basic teardown. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz360 and hit that notification bell icon, and write comment in the comment section below. If you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.